So after 3.5 hours of drive, we have reached Ettipotla Waterfalls. It's near Andhra border on the way to Sri Sailam. And this was a ride on our very own Jumbo. And here we have Sonia and we have the flash girl Kanika. Say hi to everyone. How are you feeling?
Nice, very nice.
Do you want to wish Happy New Year?
Yeah, happy New Year. My baby is smiling. Look, Aswan.
And this is completely mesmerizing. Look at the view, look at the scenery. Though there is not plenty of water over here, but still in this season it's good.